I'm Brady. I've been at CDN for just over 12 years now. From that, I kind of started as an intern, going through school and stuff, and then now I'm full-time mechanical engineer. Spend a lot of time assembling and putting the work into the shop side of it with some design work. But it's cool to see all the parts going from the CAD programs all the way to the finished painted product. So it's cool how from when I started 12 years ago, the equipment has evolved and gotten bigger, and we're able to do more of the start to finish steps here in-house. And we're not waiting on other clients or vendors or anything like that, getting us parts from starting with the water jet, going to the brake and forming parts, and you got the CNC machining centers, and then you finish off with the powder oven. So it's cool to have it all in-house and done in a matter of a couple hours if you have a part. Yeah, it's cool here at CDN how we can go from getting a DXF in the morning or a file, and by the end of the day it's powdered, shipped, and fully welded and out the door by 4 o'clock, and we get to see that part later on in a day or two that's assembled in a project that we weren't sure what it was for at the beginning of the day. One thing nice about CDN is it's a close-knit group that we all kind of get along with everybody, and kind of like with the culture and stuff. It's go with outings and have some fun around the shop and things, and I don't know, it's a good group of people to work with.